Soul Breather by Dittmann. Special treatment, version 3. We start the special treatment with electric diamonds that have been sprinkled on her hairline. So these are the electric diamonds, as well as some specks in the water or in the background. So we've got some electric diamonds here, sparkling right there. That's for version 1. And then for version 2, we've got turquoise crystals that we have placed on the turquoise section of her hair, so sprinkle it in those areas. And finally, for version 3, we've got dark sea crystals right over here, which is a very dark turquoise color. So sprinkle those not only in the black background, but also on the dark turquoise area of her hair that's flowing. So once again, for version 3 of Soul Breather, we've got electric diamonds, turquoise crystals, and dark sea crystals.